Vasalva Kutungam. Greetings to all. I am Guraj of class 7th Tungodra, here to deliver a speech on Bhagat Singh, a name that resonates through the annals of the Indian history, a name that evokes emotions, inspires patriotism, and symbolizes the struggle for Indian freedom. He was born on September 27, 1907, in the village of Banga, Lalpur district, Punjab. He was destined for his greatness. His early life was marked by a sense of purpose, driven by injustices of the British rule and the struggles of his family. His father, Kishan Singh, was a freedom fighter, and his uncle, Ajit Singh, was a prominent revolutionary. Bhagat Singh's education at the National College in Lahore exposed him to the ideals of socialism, nationalism, and Russian Revolution. He became fascinated by the works of Marx, Lenin, and Trotsky and saw the struggle for Indian independence as a part of global fight against imperialism. In 1926, Bhagat Singh joined the Hindustan Republican Association, a revolutionary organization that sought to the end of British rule through armed struggle. He quickly rose through his ranks, becoming the key leader and the ideologue. His writings in his magazine Kirti showcased his intellect, passion, and commitment to the cause. The Jallianwala Bagh incident in 1919, in which the British officers killed hundreds of unarmed Indians, had a profound impact on Bhagat Singh. He saw the British as brutal oppressors, and his desire for revenge and justice grew. In 1928, Bhagat Singh planned and executed the assassination of a British police officer, John Saunders, who had killed the Lala Rajpat Rai during a protest. Bhagat Singh's most daring act was the bombing of the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi on April 8, 1929. Along with Batukeshwar Dutt, he threw bombs and leaflets proclaiming the revolution had begun. This act of defiance shook the British establishment and made Bhagat Singh a household name. His subsequent arrest, trial, and imprisonment only strengthened his resolve. His letters to his family and comrades showcased his courage and dedication. In jail, he wrote extensively producing works like Why Am I an Atheist and The Philosophy of Bomb. His letters to his family and comrades showcased his courage and dedication. The British, fearing to his influence, tried to break his spirit. They subjected him to torture, solitary confinement, and forced labor. But Bhagat Singh remained unbroken, inspiring his fellow prisoners and continued to write and think. On 23rd March 1931, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapar, and Shivram Rajguru were hanged in the Lahore Central Jail. The British thought that they had crushed the revolution, but in fact they had created a martyr. Bhagat Singh's execution sparked widespread protests, riots, and renewed the sense of purpose among Indians. Bhagat Singh's legacy extends far beyond his actions. He embodied the spirit of revolution and inspired generations to fight for freedom, equality, and justice. His ideas on socialism, nationalism, and atheism continue to influence the Indian thought. Today, as we remember Bhagat Singh, let us draw inspiration from his life, his courage, and his conviction. Let us strive for an India that is more just, more free, more equal. Let us continue the struggle for a better India, a better world. Long live Bhagat Singh, long live the revolution, long live the dream of free India. Inqilab Zindabad.